easiPart is designed for the beginning stage of hair loss. Due to its smaller base size, it gives the wearer coverage in the part area, offering extremely natural-looking density. In this video, we'll show you how we got the look and go over the base design of easiPart. easiPart is available in 8, 12, and 18 inches in length. The base design features a single monofilament design, which allows for multi-directional parting of the hair. Polyurethane-coated monofilament allows for the use of adhesive if desired. The pressure-sensitive clips are strategically placed to secure the topper to your biological hair. easiPart is made with Remy human hair. As with any alternative human hair piece, we recommend performing a check wash within 14 days of receipt. One commonly asked question we get is, how do you get the looks on your website and catalogs? In this video, we'll show you exactly how we got the look for easiPart. To dry and style your topper, pin to your canvas blockhead, apply blown away blow dry balm, and blow dry using your Jon Renau round brush. Once the hair is completely dry, take a small section and apply 2 to 3 pumps of heat treat thermal spray to protect the hair from heat damage. Use a flat iron to smooth the hair with a slight bend. Always pre-style your biological hair prior to applying your topper. Apply your topper 1 to 2 inches back from the hairline and blend with your biological hair. See our Prepare Your Topper for Styling and Application video for more details. Always hold the base of your topper while blending to prevent pulling your biological hair. Not doing so will cause tension on your biological hair and can cause hair loss. Finish your style with Jon Renau's versatile 3-way hairspray and use your fingers to finish styling. To watch more styling videos, click on our styling playlist. For everything else you need to know about toppers, click on Hair Toppers 101.